Have you all done the paper?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. All the questions?
Teacher.
Good morning. Okay. Good morning, all of you. Okay, shall we check the answers?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
One by one, give me the answers. Huh? We have to discuss question number 3, no?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Question number 3, Roman number 1, Anamika. Roman number 2, Miasi. 3, Anisha. Roman number 4, Dulmira. 5, Gayashi. 6, Kalan. Okay. Roman number 1.
I'm Roman number 4.
Can't remember. We'll see. Wait. Roman number 1, Anamika. What is the answer? As product of powers. Anamika, what is the answer? Anamika, are you there? Anamika, what is the answer? Anamika? Okay. Now hands up those who did. Then I'm going to ask the questions from them only. Others, they can leave the class. No need. If they can't do the paper, no need to stay in the class. Only 6 have done the papers, other didn't. Then why you joined to the class today? Huh? Why you joined to the class today? Tell me. Those who didn't. Anamika, Aditya, Gayashi, Dinugi, Iman, Lochana, Onet, Senuga, Senuri, Shalini, Utum, Abdul. They haven't done. What is the reason? Should I ask one by one? Huh? Did you get the paper?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
8th class, did you get the paper?
Got teacher.
Then the others, why they haven't done the paper? Huh? මම පේපර් එක දැම්මේ ඔයාලට කරන්නනේ. ඇයි පේපර් එක කරේ නැත්තේ? දැන් උත්තර දෙන්නකෝ. Yes, Onet? Onet? Yes? Hmm? Yes, Onet. No answers. Did you get your marks?
Yes, teacher.
No, teacher.
Yes.
Who said no?
I didn't.
Mercy. Aditya, did you get your marks?
Yes, teacher.
How many? Maths. For maths? Just tell me. Aditya, marks, maths marks. Aditya. If you don't respond mean, you will remove from the class. Okay? Yes? Now what can I do now? Then shall we just wait till 9 o'clock? Huh? මොකද්ද කරන්නේ? දැන් 6 දෙනයි කරලා තියෙන්නේ අනිත් එක්කෙනෙක්වත් කරලා නැහැ. එතකොට ඇයි ඒගොල්ලෝ උදේට ක්ලාස් එකට ජොයින් උනේ? මං කිව්වනේ අද පේපර් එක ඩිස්කස් කරනවා කියලා. ඒතර පේපර් එක ඩිස්කස් කරන්න එකට එන්නේ නැතුව මොකද දැන් කරන්නේ? ඔයගොල්ලෝ ආන්සර්ස් ලියලා නැත්තම් ලියපු නැති අය කොහොමද දැනගන්නේ තමන්ගේ තත්ත්වය කොහොමද කියලා? ටෙස්ට් එකෙන්ද? If you can't tell your marks, I can tell your marks to everyone. Shall I tell those who didn't do the paper? Huh? Yes, tell your marks, those who didn't do the paper. If you can't respond, I will wind up the class. Don't type. No, don't type your marks. Switch on your microphones and tell me the marks. If not, I will call them.
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes, tell. What is your name?
47, teacher.
Who is this?
Gayashi.
Very good. I'm really happy. You haven't done the paper as well now? Next. This is Dinugi. Why you didn't do the paper? Why? Yes, next. Yes, others.
I got 57.
Yes, others. Senura, Senuri, Shalini, Abdul. They can't talk.
Teacher, I got 28.
Huh?
I got 28.
Very good. Then others.
36, teacher.
Now, what is this marks? Below 50. Why you haven't studied for the test? ටෙස්ට් එකට පාඩම් කරේ නැද්ද? 50ට අඩුවෙන් ලකුණු ගත්ත අය? ඔයගොල්ලෝ grade 7s වලදී හොඳට වැඩ කරන ළමයිනේ. මොකක්ද මේ grade 8 වලට ගියාට පස්සේ වෙලා තියෙන්නේ girls ලට? Senuri, Gayashi, Shalini, very low marks. What is this?
Teacher, some lessons are difficult, teacher.
Some lessons are difficult නම් පුතේ මං ඒ වෙලාවේ අහනවනේ තේරුණාද doubts තියනවාද කියලා. ඇයි ඒ වෙලාවේ උත්තරේ දෙන්නේ නැත්තේ? ඊට පස්සේ ටෙස්ට් එකෙන් පස්සේද lessons වලට මට කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. හොඳේ? lessons වලට එන්නේ නැති වුණාටත් මට කරන්න දෙයක් නැහැ. Yes. Okay. Now I'm not going to talk with the others. 6 have done the papers, though I'm going to discuss the papers. First one, Vihanga, Roman number 1. This one. What is the answer?
25 times 25.
25 times 25? No.
No,
5 and multiply by 2.
multiply
5
by
and 5
by
Yes. Here you had to write power of products. 25. How you can write this?
5 to the
Using
power 2.
power
5 to the power
power 2 and
Excuse me, teacher.
5 to the power 2 and the n to the power 2. This is how
Excuse
you
me,
write
teacher.
the answer. Yes.
I have multiplied it.
Yes, teacher. 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by then n I wrote.
No, teacher, I wrote 5 to the power 2 multiplied by n to the power 2.
And don't write multiplication. Here now 2 is common for these two. Then you had to write 5 in brackets power 2. Clear? You had to write it as a product of powers, no? Then you had to write 25 as a power. Then n as a power they have already given. Now here 2 is common for both numbers. Then you can write 5n within brackets, then n 2 out of the brackets. Clear? Next one. Next column. What is the answer?
100
10x
100 x to the power 2 y to the power 2.
Now you have to write you have to expand this. 10 to the power 2 means
100 x to the
power
x
2,
to the power
y to the power 2.
2.
100 x to the power 2, y to the power 2. Next, Roman number 3. Yes. Roman number 3, Situki, then Anisha. Yes, Situki. What is the answer?
5 to the power 2 5 to the power 3 multiply by a to the power 3
Here
multiply
you have
to
to write the value. You have to find the value here.
1000.
1000
Yes, 5 to the power 3 means 5 times 5, 25, 25 times 125.
20
A to the power 3. Multiply 2 to the power 3 means 2 times 2.
8. 4 multiplied by 2.
Multiply to 8.
Who is Tamindu?
Sharinu's brother.
Sharindu's brother. Okay. Then 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 2 means 4. 4 to the power 2, 4 times 2 means 8. 8 a to the power 3. Now you have to find the answer. No? Find the value. 125 multiply by 8,000. Then a to the power 3 multiply by a to the power 3. What is the answer? How many a's are there then?
9 is
9 is.
Not 9. You can't multiply
1
here.
a only 1 a only 1 a
Get,
1 a
listen first. Here now this is the symbol is multiplication. Now here a to the power 3 and a to the power 3. Now this is symbol is multiplication. No? Then you have to add these two numbers. Is it clear? How many is there? 3 plus 3? A to the
6.
power
To the
6.
power 6.
A to the power 6. Now here the symbol is multiplication. Then you have to add these two numbers, not multiply. Don't write 3 times 3, 9. Okay. Next, Anisha. Yes?
216.
8 times 27. What is the question? Show that 8 times 26 is equal to 6 to the power 3. You have to show this one. 8 multiplied by 23 is equal to 6 to the power 3. Okay, how you can write this? Now here 6 to the power 3, you know, then power is 3. Then convert this into powers. How you can write 8 as a power?
Multiply by 27.
No. 8 කොහමද ලියන්නේ power එකක් විදිහට? 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 means 8, no? Is it clear? 2 to the power 3 means 8. Now write 27 as power with the powers. How you can write 27? 7 to the power 3 is 27. 9 to the power 3 is 27. 9 times 9, 81. No? 3 to the power 3. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 3, 27. 3 to the power 3. Okay. Now you can see 3 is common for both. Is it clear? 3 is common. Then you can write 2 times 3 within brackets. Then write 3. Now 2 times 3 is what?
6.
2 times 3 is 6. Then you can write 6 to the power 3. Is it clear?
Can't you write 260?
No. මෙතන ලියන්න ඕනේ value එක නෙමේ. මේකට equal වෙනවා කියලායි පෙන්නන්න ඕන. 6 වලට equal වෙනවා කියලා. 6 to the power 3 එකට මේක equal කරලායි පෙන්නන්න ඕන.
So the answer.
You have to show this. Is it clear? You have to show 8 එක ලියන්න පුළුවන් 2 to the power 3 කියලා. Then 27 එක ලියන්න පුළුවන් අපිට 3 to the power 3 කියලා. දැන් මෙතන තියෙන power එක 3 නේ. එතකොට ලියන්න 3 power එක එන්න නම් කීයෙන්ද multiply වෙන්න ඕනේ. 3 වලින් 3 times 3 9 9 times 3 27. 8 එක power එක 3 එකක් එන්න නම් කීයෙන්ද බෙදන්න ඕනේ. ඒ කියන්නේ 8 එක 3 times divide වෙන්න ඕනනේ. එතකොට මොකක්ද divide වෙන number එක? 2 තමයි prime number එක. එතකොට 2 to the power 3. Now 3 is common for both. Then you can write within brackets 2 times 3. Then power is 3. 2 times 3 means 6. 6 to the power 3 is equal this one. You have to show this. Don't find the value here. Okay? Clear?
Clear.
Clear, teacher.
Next one. Minus 6. Minus 2.
64.
Plus 64 equal 4 to the
Show
power
that the value of the value of minus 2 to the power 6 and 4 to the power 3 are equal each other. Now you have to show this number and equal to this number. Okay. Minus 2, you have to multiply 6 times. Here, 6 is an even number. Then you get minus answer or the positive answer.
Plus
Positive.
answer.
Positive
answer.
Positive answer.
Plus
Positive
answer.
answer. Positive answer.
64. Plus 64.
Plus
64.
64. Then 4 to the power 3 means 4 times 4. 16. 16 times 4. 60. Then the answer is okay.
Equal.
Here this one also 64. This time also 64. You can write this in another way. Now how you can write? Now here this is power is 6. This side power is 3. Now you can write it as like this. Minus 2 to the power 3 multiplied by minus 2 to the power 3. Okay. Now can you remember earlier I told when you see the multiplication symbol what you can do these powers? Got the power eකට කරන්න පුළුවන් multiplication
We can
එක add 3 plus 3 6 minus 2 minus 2 same. Okay, then you can divide. You can separate. Make a separate කළා ලියන්න පුළුවන් power 3 එකක් එන විදිහට මෙහෙම ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Minus 2 minus 3 to the power 3 multiplied by minus 2 to the power 3. Okay. Now we'll see. Now here 3 is common for both. Then you can write 3 is common. Now we take 3 out of the brackets. Then minus 2 multiplied by minus 2. What is the answer?
Plus 4, 3.
Plus 4
Plus
to the power 3.
plus 4 to the power 3. Is it clear?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Yes,
You
teacher.
have to show like this. Okay. මේක දැන් තියෙන්නේ equal වෙන්න ඕනේ power 3 කියන එකට. මෙතන තියෙන්නේ power එක 6 කියලා. එතකොට අපි මේක separate කරගන්නවා 3 එක හැදෙන විදිහට. -2. එතකොට එන්නේ answer එක positive ද negative ද?
Negative.
Negative.
Yes. Here මේකේ එන්නේ negative answer. Then the other one minus 37
Positive.
4. Minus
Positive.
37 to the power 4. ඒකේ මොන answer එකක්ද?
Positive.
Positive answer එකක්. මේකේ එන්නේ negative answer එකක්. හරිද? Now when you multiply this, now you get here minus value, here positive value. Now you have to multiply this again, no? Then when you multiply minus and the positive, what comes?
Negative.
Negative answer. Then you get a negative answer. Is it clear?
Then to the biggest value.
No need to find the value. Without taking the answer, you have to write this. No need to write the answer. 5 times 5 is kiyada, 37 times 4 is kiyada. Eka liyanna onne. By looking the symbol, you can get the you have to write the answer is negative or the positive. එච්චරයි යහන්න. Value එක ඕනේ. මේක එතකොට ලියන්න ඕනේ මෙතන there's a odd number, then you get a negative answer. Here is a even number, then we get a positive answer. When you multiply minus value and the positive value, the final answer is negative. It's right. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
It's right. No need to find the value here. Okay. Next question number. Question number 4. Question number 4. Who can give the answer?
11.2 tons.
11.2 tons.
This for
11.2 tons.
11.2 tons.
2 tons. 1.2 tons.
show that this container can't cross the bridge with suitable calculation. Yes.
11.2 tons.
11.2 tons.
11.2.
2
Yeah. 1.2 tons. Here, the bridge can cross only the 10 tons. Then it is exceeded, then you can't cross it. No, container can't travel there. Yes. Want to do it?
No, teacher.
No. Then next, Roman number 2. What is the answer?
6
24
tons.
cement bags. 24 cement bags.
Yes, extra one is 1.2. Then 1.2 extra tons. 1.2. Then 1.2 you can convert into the kilograms. It means 1,200 kilos. Then how many cement bags are there?
4,000.
4,000. Not 4,000. 50 no? Cement bag each 50 kilos. Excess TNA 1.2. Find the minimum number of cement bag which must remove from the container. So the container ke වැඩිපුර තියෙන 1.2 tons. 1.2 tons කියලා කියන්නේ 1,200 kg. හරිද? එක cement bag එක බර කීයද?
50 kilos.
50 kilos. Then you have to divide this by 50 kilos නේද? එතකොට cement කොච්චර තිබ්බද කියලා එන්නේ? Then divide this by 50. Then you get 224 cement bags are there. Then you have to remove 24 cement bags from the container. හරිද ඒක? Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Got the answer?
Yes, teacher.
Next, B. Write down the algebraic expression for the length of the rectangle. Yes.
2 open bracket 3x plus 2 close bracket plus 2 times x.
Perimeter of the rectangle is 16. Then, how you find the perimeter of a rectangle? P is equal 2L plus 2B. No? Then they have given the perimeter. 16x plus 10. Length part we don't know. Then the breadth is 3x plus 2 multiplied by 2. Okay. Now you have to simplify this. Yes. First, remove the brackets. 6x plus 2 times 4. Then here 16x plus 10. Now we keep this along and remove this part. Here plus 16 plus 6x. Then when you take to the other side, it comes minus. Then here plus 10. Here plus 4. When you remove this, you have to subtract 4 from the both sides. Now 12 remaining. 16 minus 6x, 10x plus 10 minus 4, 6. 2L. Now divide by 2. Okay. Divide by 2. Then you get 10x divided by 2. 5x plus 6 divided by 2, 3. Length is 5x plus 3. Get the answer?
Yes,
Got it? Okay. Then question number 5. Question number 5. A gold colored thread is pasted around this rectangle wall hanger. Find the total length of that.
231.46.
Yes. Find the total. Total means you have to find the perimeter of this. Perimeter is 2 times L. L here 28.2 plus 2 times 15.3. හරිද? එහෙමනේ. length එක 2 times multiply කරනවා. එතකොට breadth එක 2 times multiply කරනවා. Then you can get the perimeter of this wall hanger. What is the answer? 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 6. 56 plus 56.4. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 5, 10. 30. Then 0, 7. 87. 87 centimeters.
Yes, teacher.
Did you get the answer? මේකේ අහන්නේ total
teacher.
length එකනේ. එතකොට total length එක කියලා කියන්නේ wall hanger එකේ perimeter එක ගන්න ඕනේ. length එක දීලා තියෙනවා. අපි දන්නවනේ perimeter එක ගන්න formula එක 2 times L plus 2 times breadth. Okay? Then 2 times multiply by length plus 2 times multiply by breadth. Then you can add. Next. Find the length of the thread which is needed to paste around 16 such wall hangers in meters. දැන් එක ලණුවකට තමයි ඕනේ එක thread එකකට ඕනේ 87 centimeters. Then ඒ වගේ how many threads are there?
16 threads.
18 threads. Then you have to multiply this by 18. What is the answer? Yes. Multiply this by 18. What is the answer? Yes. Tell me. Didn't get the answer. Dulmira, Vihanga, didn't get the answer. Huh?
No, teacher.
1566.
7 multiplied by 18. 8 times 6, 56. 8 times 6
1566.
plus 5. 69. Then 7, 8. 6. 1566 is centimeters. Now you have to convert this into meters. Then you have to divide this by 100. It means keep the 2 decimals. 15.66 meters, or you can round off this 16 meters. Both answers are okay. Okay. Then Roman number 3. Roman number 3. If piece of 1 meter thread is 20 rupees 20 and 50 cents, find the cost which is needed for 18 wall hangers. 1 meter is 20 rupees and 50 cents. Then we want 18. Yes. Now 16 meters multiplied by 20 rupees and 50 cents. What is the answer? Yes, what is the answer? 20 rupees and 15 cents යන 1 මීටරයක්. ඒ වගේ meters කීයක් ඕනද? 16 meters on. Then multiply. 0, 0, 3 remaining. 6 times.
328.
Then
Equals 6
4
plus 5 equals 6.
5 equals 61.
Then solve this equation. What is the answer?
40.
40.
X equal 40.
X equal 40.
X equal 40.
6,
56.
4x, then divide by 4.
40.
X
Equal
equal
1.
40.
X equal 4. 14. Yes.
I also.
Yes, can. Next. Find the ratio of the time period they invested money in this business.
6 to
Now,
5 to 7.
Take the
6
time
to 5 to
period.
7.
Here,
6 to 5 to 7.
12 months. Then Fatima,
10
after
months.
3 months, after 10. Then
Seven.
Ganisha, June 1st. June 1st
7.
means January,
7 months.
February, or March, April, May. May means 4 months, no? 4 months, no? Yes, 4 means 8. Yes.
Is it Ganesha? I mean,
July,
how many
April, wait. July, August, September, October, November, December. December 30 is 7 months.
yes, teacher.
7 months. Then 12 to 10 to 7. Ratio is 12 to 10 to 7. 12 to 10 to 7.
8 months ne.
June 1st ne. එතකොට June 1st ඉඳලා July, August, September, October, November, December 1st. December 31st වලටනේ profit එක හම්බෙන්නේ. එතකොට December 31st වෙනකන් you have to count. Clear?
June month.
Yes, teacher.
June 1st ne. June 1st ඉඳලා July 1st වලට 1 month. August 1st වලට again 1 month. Then September, October, November, December 1st. December 31st වලටනේ profit එක බලන්නේ. එතකොට 31st වෙනකම් count කරන්න ඕනේ. 31st වලටත් තව 31 days තියෙනවනේ. එතකොට 7 months. එයාගේ money invest වෙලා තියෙනවා. හරිද? දැන් March වල එක කොහමද? January 1st ඉඳලා February 1st වලට මාසයයි. Then February 1st ඉඳලා March 1st වලට මාසයයි. එතකොට එයාගේ මාස දෙකක් release වෙන්න ඕනේ. 12 minus 2 කියන්නේ එයාගේ 10. හරිද? ඊපස්සේ January අපි June වලට ගන්නකො අනිත් පැත්තේ. January, February 1st, February, March, April, May, June. 5 months. 5 months වලට පස්සේ තමයි එයා දාන්නේ. එතකොට 12 වලින් 5 ගියාම 7 නේ. හරිද විහංග?
Okay.
I directly got 7 by counting the months.
Okay, yes, can. Then next one. Now you have to find the ratio.
6 to 8 to 7.
Yes, we'll see. Now the ratio is 5 to 8 to 10. Now you can multiply this by time period. Time period is 12 months to, yes, this is 12. The time period is, this is 5, this is 8, this is 10. No? Then
Yes, teacher.
60, 80, 70. All three numbers you can divide by 10. Then the
6
ratio
to 8 to 7.
to 8 to 7.
6 to 8.
Then profit as fraction. What is the profit?
6.
If the profit received from the business 210,000. Find separately the profit for each received.
Delini 16.
How many
16.
parts are there? Here 8 plus 5,
21
8
is
plus
6.
7, 15, 15 plus 6, 21. 21
One.
parts are there. Then Lini got out of 6.
6.
And here
60,000. 67,000.
60,000. Then Fatima 80,000 and the Ganesha 70.
70,000.
Next.
24%.
Wait. Fill in the blanks. First one, 24%.
50%.
Half
50%. 50%.
50%.
Half now 50%.
Artist, I wrote 105.
By 100. Half multiplied by 100 means 50. Then first one is 50%. second one 0.7.
140%.
70%.
70%.
70%. Then next
240%.
140%.
multiplied by 100, you get
240.
240%.
25%.
1%. 1%.
1/4.
25% you have to convert as a fractions, not the percentage.
1/4.
Yes, 1/4. 25% means 1/4. Then other one
6/1.
600% means
6%.
600% means not 600%.
6/1.
6/1.
Not 6/1. 6/1.
Only 6 I wrote. Teacher.
6. No need to write 6/1. Write just 6. Okay. 6 divided by 1, you get 6. Then
150.
Excuse me, teacher. For the fourth one, what is the answer?
1/4.
150.
150.
150.
150.
Is equal 100. 2 to the power 3. 2 means 100. It means you have to multiply this by 50. 2 multiplied by 50, you get 100. Then 3 multiplied by 50, you get
150.
150. If 30% of a person's salary is 7,800, find the monthly salary of the person.
2,340.
330.
2,340.
Yes, 7,000.
2,340. 2,340.
You have to find the 100%, no? 7,800 කියලා කියන්නේ 30යි නම් 100ට කීයද?
We want to multiply.
Right. 2 times 3 times 2 6, then 1 remaining 6. 2,000.
2,340.
2,340, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
2,340.
Yes, teacher. 200.
Yes, teacher.
Teacher, I do
Multiply.
7,800 or 100.
Multiply.
7,000. Priya, listen. 7,800 for 30%. හරිද? 7,800යි කියලා කියන්නේ 30යි. 7,800 කියන්නේ 30 නම් එයාගේ salary එක කියලා කියන්නේ 100% නේද? 100ට 30ක් කියලා කියන්නේ 7,800 නම් 100ක් කියලානේ අහන්නේ. කියන්නේ salary එකනේ අහන්නේ. salary එකේ 100ට 30ක amount එක කියන්නේ 7,800යි. එහෙනම් එයාගේ salary එක කීයද කියලායි අහන්නේ. 7,800 means 30. Then you have to find the 100 means kiyada. Then you can divide. Then 26. Then the salary is 26,000. Salary එක වෙන්නේ 26,000.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes.
Did I do 78 to 100 multiplied by 30?
7,800.
No, 7,800 over 100 multiplied by 30.
I also say teacher.
මෙහෙමද?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
ඒකේ ගාණ කියන්නේ if 30% of person's salary is මෙච්චරයි 30% කියලා කියන්නේ මේ ගාණ. එතකොට 30 කියලා 7,800 කියලා කියන්නේ 30. හරිද? දැන් අපි මෙහෙම බෙදනවනේ A B C කියලා බෙදන්න හිතන්නකො 2 2 1 කියලා. එතකොට අපි කියනවා A ගත්තේ 2,500 කියලා. එතකොට ඔයාගෙන් අහනවා මේකේ full amount එක කීයද කියලා. A ට හම්බෙච්ච profit එක මේ ගන්න. එතකොට මේකේ full amount එක හොයන්න කොහමද? 2,500 කියලා කියන්නේ 2 නම් total එක කීයද? තේරුණාද? කියලා තියෙන එහෙමනේ.
Yes,
7,800 කියලා කියන්නේ 100ට 30යි. එහෙනම් 100ට 100ක් කීයද? කියලා යහන්නේ. එයාගේ salary එක කීයද කියලා යන්නේ. salary එකේ 130ක් කියලා කියන්නේ 7800යි. Clear? Then 7,800 you have to divide by 30 and multiply by 100. Then you get the total salary. Clear?
Yes.
Next, last one. In a class, there are 40 students. 24 of them girls. Find the percentage of boys in the class.
125.
Total students are 40. Total students 40. Then there are 24 girls. This is girls. This is total. Then boys, how many students? How many boys are there? 16 boys are there. You have to write this as a percentage. Boys lage percentage එකක් ලියන්න ඕනේ. කොහොමද ලියන්නේ? Boys line was 16 out of how many?
40.
40.
Multiply by 100. Is it clear? Boys line is 16 out of 40. Then multiply by 100. Here, for 40%. Got the answer?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Then that's all. Difficult areas are there?
Teacher, I can't understand the C1.
C1 කියන්නේ?
In 7C question.
7C question, this one.
Yes, teacher.
ඉතින් මේකේ ක්ලාස් එකේ 40ක් ඉන්නවා. 40න් 24ක් කවුද? ගර්ල්ස් ලා. එතකොට ඉතුරු කට්ටිය කීයද? බොයිස් ලානේ. එතකොට බොයිස් ලා ඉන්නවා 16ක්. ඒ 16 you have to write it as a percentage. percentage එකක් විදිහට ලියන්න ඕන. එතකොට බොයිස් ලා ඉන්නේ 16 දෙනයි. out of කීයද ක්ලාස් එකේම? ක්ලාස් එකේම ළමයි ඉන්නේ කීයද ඔක්කොම?
40.
ඔක්කොම ළමයි ඉන්නේ 40. එතකොට 16 over 40 percentage එකක් විදිහට ලියන්න නම් multiply by 100%. ඒක 100% වලින් multiply කරන්න ඕනේ. එතකොට තමයි ඔයාලට percentage එකක් විදිහට ලියන්න පුළුවන්. Now tell me, find the percentage of girls in this class.
60%.
60.
Yes, here the 40% means boy. Then you can subtract 40 by 100. Then 100 minus 40, you get 60. Or else you can find 24 means girls out of 40 students. Then find the percentage. Means you have to multiply by 100. Then you get 6 times 10, 60%. Clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Dulmira?
Okay.
Okay. Then, any doubts?
No,
No, teacher.
Now, are you study for the test?
Yes, teacher.
teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Oh, then Saturday onwards, you are having test, no?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. Teacher.
Okay, study for the test. Then, good luck and do your best. Then, have a nice day and stay safe.
Stay safe.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher. Have a nice day. Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Have a nice day.
Thank you, teacher. Have a nice day. Bye, teacher.
Bye,
Bye.
teacher.
Have a nice day.